Hello, I'm Antonia.
And I'm Ryan.
And welcome to our kitchen.
Today we're making nacho dip.
So first you're going to need Tex-Mex cheese, salsa, sour cream, cream cheese, taco seasoning, green pepper and onions, a spatula, beaters, a dish, and nacho chips.
First, put in your cream cheese, then add in your taco seasoning.
Putting your beaters on a medium, you're going to mix the taco seasoning and the cream cheese together.
Add in your sour cream.
Make sure that your solution isn't runny like a pina colada, but not thick like a burrito, but more of a guacamole texture. You're going to evenly distribute the mixture into your dish that you're serving it in.
Make sure your mixture is evenly distributed at the bottom of the dish. Now evenly distribute the salsa over your mixture.
Taking your Tex-Mex cheese, you're going to do the whole bag of cheese all over top of the salsa.
Sauce your veggies on top of the platter.
Take your nacho bag,
Your multi-grain nacho bag.
and put it in your bowl to serve to your friends.
There you have it, easy nacho dip.